Hey guys, so first things first, Happy New Year. I wish you all much love and peace no matter where you are. So, recently I discovered quite a few bugs in my project, and since it's a holiday season, meaning there is not a lot of work to be done, I decided to use my free time to actually work on my project, and then I got an interesting idea. So, if you are familiar with my project, you may know that I already made a couple of tutorials right upon its release, which was several years ago, which was about the same time when my freelance career started to kick off. So, unfortunately, I simply didn't have enough time to finish the series. On the other hand, given my project is written in Bash, which I came to know quite well during its development process, I also wanted to make some Bash course or tutorial of some sorts, but again, for exact same reason, I simply didn't have enough time to do it properly. So this presented itself as an unique opportunity to actually do both at the same cast, so to speak. So the idea was to conceptualize my troubleshooting and bug fixing process, or even implementing brand new features in more educational manner. So that way I would get to make you more familiar with my project and how it works, and you will get to learn how to apply Bash in real world practical use cases rather than through some generic trivial examples. So if this idea sounds interesting to you, be sure to tune in. I plan to release videos on the regular basis over the next few days. And depending on the reception and your response, I might even keep doing it. And by the way, this doesn't have to be strictly related to my project, meaning if you have some interesting batch related ideas that you would like me to do, feel free to leave the suggestions down in the comments, and I would be happy to make a video about it. That being said, this particular video is more of an introductory nature, meaning I won't be teaching you anything. You can expect the, so to speak, educational video series to start um, sometime tomorrow, um, because it's already quite late on my end. So that being said, I think this is gonna do it for this one. Again, if this whole idea sounds interesting, I will see you in the next one. Peace.